Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam games icon missing. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Steam and right click on the game with the missing icon and select properties. Select installed files. Select browse and now you just need to copy the file path over here just like this. Copy it. After that just close stuff here and right click on the desktop shortcut with the missing icon and select properties. Select the change icon option. Select the browse option. Now paste the path we copied and press enter. Now select the game exe file with the logo. Select the open option. Select the OK option. Select the play and OK. And now your game should display its proper icon guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.